Hello everyone, welcome back to this video of PowerPoint presentation. In this video, we are going to work with the warped pictures in Microsoft PowerPoint. So first of all, let's understand that what is a warped picture. Let's just go to the slide where we have this picture and suppose we want to resize it. So suppose if we just bring up this corner, then we can just resize it like this. Okay. Now if you want any of these sliders from here, which are in the middle, so if you just resize them, here you can see the picture seems distorted or warped. And similarly, if you just do it anything on the sideways, so that also would look horrible, just like this. So how do we work with it? There are two ways to work with it. First of all, what we can do is just reset it. So make sure you are in the home tab. Here is this option to reset, but it won't work because this reset option works on the slide as a whole and not as a picture. So for the picture, what do is you go to this format tab and here is this option of reset picture. Here you click on this drop down and go to reset picture and size option. So this would of course bring the picture back to its original size, and you can see all the distortions have been gone. But it is simple to do for the images that are just present as the images. However, what happens for these kind of images, right? So what is this kind of an image? This is a special type of an image which is a shape and an image combined. Like there is a rectangle that was created and in that rectangle this image is present. So in case you are wondering how to do that, let's just do exactly that to show you. This is a rectangle that I have created. I can right click, go to format shape, then go to this paint bucket kind of an option. In the fills, we go to the picture or texture fill. So this kind of an image is created. It is useful for creating the images which are in shape, and it helps to control many aspects of the images. Like whatever controls we have on the shape, we can apply them on the image as well. So what we do, what if we just resize this image, right? Now this is warped. Let's just go to the format tab, go to reset picture and size. You can see there is no effect on this kind of an image. So what if we want to remove the warping of the images which are shape in picture images? So how do we do that? What we are going to do is we are going to work with it because it has been distorted. So let's just delete this. This is the one that we had created. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to copy it, or basically cut it, anything you want. I'm just going to copy it because we just want to make a copy of this onto our clipboard. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use the paste special option. So there is a shortcut that is Control Alt and V, or you can go to the home tab. In the paste, there is this paste special menu, and from here you can just select the enhanced meta file or the Windows meta file. Both of them work the same way. Let's just go with the Windows option, click on OK. Now a copy of this image is created. Now what we are going to do is we are going to ungroup it, because now a meta file of this image is created that has a group of the shape and the image one over the other. So what we are going to do is ungroup it. So the shortcut for this purpose is Control Shift G. You press it once, then there is a dialog box. You need to click on yes. Again you need to press the same shortcut, Control Shift G, and once you do that, you can see now the image and the rectangle have been split into two different things, right? This is the image, this is the rectangle. Let's just delete the rectangle. This is the image. Now let's just warp it and let's see if it is working or not. Go to the format tab, go to reset picture and size. So yes, it is working. It has been reset to its original size. Okay. If you want, you can resize it as per your requirements. So this is one way through which we do that. What is the second way? For the second way, what we need is some extra steps and a lot of mouse clicks. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure the file is saved. Then you need to go to that particular location where your file is present, like in the folder location. Okay. Then you need to click on this drop down. Here what you need to do is you need to select, you have to make sure that the file extensions are visible to you. So you can just go to this view tab, file name extensions, just click on this arrow. So you see this is a pptx file. Now what we are going to do is we are going to rename it and change this extension to zip. So essentially we are converting this PowerPoint file into a zip file. Okay, so since it is open, that's why it's not been able to do that. Let's just close it and try again. So now it's been converted into a zip file. Now if we just open it, let's just close this. Warning sign. Here in the PPT folder, you can see there is this media, and here we have all the images that are present. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are just going to work with this image. We can just extract it, or we can just copy this, because we are getting all of these images now. So we can just click on extract to. Let's just extract it on the desktop. Let's just go to desktop. Here we have this PPT media folder in which we have the images. Now we have got the image. Let's just insert that image. Let's go to insert pictures option. Into the desktop, we have this image. Let's just insert it from here. So again, we have got the original image, which is not warped. So these are the two steps that we can follow. And that's it for this video on how we can work with warped images. Thanks for watching.